So today's video is going to be a comparison between a Supreme shirt versus an off-white shirt. So as you can tell from the title of the video, today's video is going to be comparing the Supreme shirts. These are the ones that come in the Ziploc bags. These are like $88 or $98 retail. I think it just depends on the shirt. And the other shirt I'm going to be comparing is just a regular off-white t-shirt, not a crew neck or a long sleeve. This is just the regular t-shirt that you would get. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, so let's get right into it. Alright, so before the video starts, I just had to point that out. Look at the mess behind me. That's just actually insane how big of a mess that is. So, I haven't cleaned that up yet, but I probably should. So, make sure to leave a like down below if you think I should. Maybe I'll just get a green screen so I can edit out the mess so you won't see it, but I don't know. Maybe this summer I'll clean it up, but without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So, the first thing we notice in both these shirts is they both come in a plastic bag. So companies who make shirts like this like to put all their shirts in a plastic bag, especially if they charge a super high retail. So a lot of people think the plastic bag justifies spending $100 on a shirt, but I don't think it does, but we'll see if it does. Hopefully the quality of the shirt's better. So both of them come in a plastic bag, and as you can see right here, Supreme's has their box logo on it, but it just has like a normal sandwich bag Ziploc. And then the off-white bag takes it a little step further, just because the shirt's like triple the price of the Supreme one. And it says plastic bag, and on the back it has like the stripes that all off-white stuff has. But this bag, you can tell, is a lot higher quality because it has a little like the slider thing, so you know this is a higher quality Ziploc bag. Both these shirts come with really nice Ziploc bags, so if you like spending over $100 on a shirt, make sure to purchase it just for the bag. So now that we have the packaging of the shirts out of the way, let's get to the actual shirts themselves. So first I'm going to take out the Supreme shirt out of the bag, so here we go. Usually I don't like doing this, so I can sell it later, but here's the Supreme shirt. Here it is out of the bag. Comes with high quality Supreme tissue paper, so you know you're getting a really nice quality shirt. So here's the shirt. I'll go over the close-ups of it later, but just here it is. It's all wrinkly because it's been folded in the plastic bag. So here's that. Put that to the side. And now let's open the off-white shirt from the higher quality plastic bag. So taking it out, here it is. Here's the shirt. So I don't know where the tag went for the shirt, but that's in the plastic bag, so I'll show you that. If you didn't know, all off-white shirts come with a plastic tag. Usually they're zip ties, but they decided to take that off and put on this kind of zip tie, which is kind of unfortunate because the zip ties were actually kind of cool. So here's the tags for the off-white shirt. Supreme shirts actually don't come with the tag, which I don't know why, but it's kind of unfortunate. But just here's the off-white shirt, all in its glory. This one doesn't come with high quality off-white paper, but if it did, it'd probably be an extra like $30 or $40, so that's what Off-White likes to do. So here's the shirt. So I'll probably flip the camera around to show you guys both details up close, so let's go and do that. So now that I have both shirts just laid out on the table, let's look at both tags. So as you can see on the Supreme one, it says 100% cotton and the size, which is XL. So just a regular red Supreme tag. So as you can see, very high quality stitching. You can see it's already like loose, so that's pretty good. So as you can see on the off-white label, it's a lot wider, and the letters aren't embroidered. They're like rubbery, so they're like just little stickers. So since this shirt costs a lot more than the Supreme one, they went the extra mile to give you some extra details on the tag, so I guess that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for the two labels. Oh, I forgot about this tag on the Supreme shirt. As you can see, it says Supreme, and then the size XL, and in really small print it says quality garments, which is kind of ironic because you would think if this was quality it would be a lot bigger just because they want to advertise it, but they put that super small so you can't really read it. So that just shows how good of a shirt this is. So now that I showed you the tags of the shirt, let's look at the actual details of the shirt. So just like feeling the shirt, this shirt's like not really that soft actually. It's kind of like, I don't know, really stiff I would say. It's not really that soft, so just keep that in mind. This is just the regular shirt. This isn't the t-shirt because those are actually worse than this shirt. Surprisingly, that's why they're like a third of the price, so you really get what you pay for with Supreme. So here's the shirt. I don't know how well of quality this is. I'm assuming this is also a cotton shirt. but this one's a lot softer and it's also thinner because you can see through it kind of, as you can see the lines and the lines from the back. But the feel of this shirt is definitely better than the feel of this shirt. This shirt just feels like really thick, so it's really heavy, but if you like that, then definitely get Supreme shirts over off-white ones. This one just is a little bit lighter. So that's just the overview of the materials. Now I'll show you guys the designs. So here's the design of this Supreme shirt. This is embroidered, so this is really nice. This is actually a really cool design. I really like this. This is one of my favorite designs they've done. And this is embroidered, so it's really high quality. It won't peel off or like come off in the wash if you decide to wash this. So shout out to Supreme for giving you guys really quality graphics for a $100 shirt. I would get something embroidered rather than like a screen printed graphic, just because it'll stay longer and this can't crack. So if you want to get this shirt, make sure you get it. This is a really durable shirt, I would say, especially from the graphic and the design, since it's embroidered, so it can't crack in the wash or like fade over time. The only thing that it could do is just like loose threads, and that's about it. So shout out to Supreme for giving you guys a really good design and graphic quality. So now let's look at the off-white graphic. So here's the off-white graphic. Has a small one up top that says off. This is just regular screen printed, so I think this can crack eventually if you wash it too many times. And then same with the things on the front, the two paint things, and then the caution label. This is also screen printed, but it feels like it's pretty good quality. So I don't think this part would crack, but this definitely would, especially in the wash. But since this is black, I can't really see this cracking because it looks like it's a part of the shirt, but not really sure, but it feels like it is. So here's the back of the shirt. It says white and black font, so I guess that's kind of ironic because you would think the word white would be in the color of white font. But here's the diagonals, all the little paint stripes. I hand painted this myself, as you can tell. And this is also same quality graphic as the front. I don't really see this cracking, so I think you should be okay with that, but it looks pretty high quality to me, and I would expect it to be, considering this shirt was almost double or triple the price of the Supreme one. So you really do get what you paid for. I actually hand painted mine myself, so it's a really good quality because I use really high quality paint. But if you were to buy this same shirt from a store, it would be screen printed, so just keep that in mind. Here it is. Looks pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for the shirt comparisons. Overall, I don't know if you could justify the high price tag of these, but you gotta pay for the brand. That's really how it works these days. If you want to be a hype beast, you gotta shell out the money to look cool. So that's what I had to do, LOL. So I haven't worn any of these yet just because I'm too scared because of how expensive they are. So just wanted to give you guys a comparison video to show you guys the differences between them. What would I think the better shirt is? I would probably say the off-white one, just because I like the feel of it better. And I don't know, off-white just looks cooler in my opinion, because Supreme is kind of getting cringe because everybody has it now. But overall, both really good shirts. They'll go with a lot of stuff just because they're neutral colored, and they're both two of the popular street brands right now, so you can't really go wrong with any of them. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.